welcome back. So, we'll be starting again with the important current affairs of the week for the second week of July 2021. And for today, we have very important topics at hand. The first of them is Ministry of Cooperation has been formed. Now, what is the aim of forming a Ministry of Cooperation? Ministry of Cooperation का जो main aim है that is improving the cooperative society sector in India. ठीक है, development of the cooperative society इस पूरे sector का development. Now, very important thing is कि cooperatives are not under the union list. Still, the union government has formed a cooperative ministry, a ministry for cooperative societies. Now, there are certain political, certain developmental goals as well. Now, we'll be trying to analyze as to what are the constitutional provisions, what are the statutory provisions, how the evolution of cooperative societies in India has taken place, and what is the current status of cooperative societies in India, and how it is going to help in the achieving of the $5 ट्रिलियन का जो गोल अपने इंडिया के लिए सेट किया है उसको अचीव करने के लिए कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटीज का क्या रोल है एंड हाउ इज दिस मिनिस्ट्री गोइंग टू हेल्प अस विद दैट. The topic at hand is new global framework released by the United Nations Convention on Biodiversity. तो दो तीन चीजें हम यहाँ पे पढ़ेंगे जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है प्रीलिम्स के एस्पेक्ट से. ठीक है, तो विल बी फोकसिंग ऑन व्हाट इज यूनाइटेड नेशन कन्वेंशन बायोडाइवर्सिटी. It is a convention, is it a treaty, is it an organization. ठीक है, तो we'll be reading that. तो UNCBD is very important. Is India a party of it? What is the treaty or the convention legally binding? ठीक है, we'll be dealing with all that. A very important topic that we have at our hand today is new population policy of UP. Population Day, World Population Day is celebrated on 11th of the July. 11th, okay, 11th of July. Population Day, World Population Day, okay. 11th of July को World Population Day celebrate होता है. UP government released a population policy. ठीक है, UP government released population policy on 10th of July, and on 11th of July the Law Commission of the UP government presented a draft bill that seeks to control stabilize the population growth. Now, a major decision has been taken by the Madras High Court that NGT Delhi bench is not the principal bench. Now, what is principal bench and subsidiary benches? Principal bench is like there's a principal bench of Allahabad High Court in Allahabad. ठीक है, उसका एक बेंच अलग है लखनऊ में. ठीक है, तो अब ये जो लखनऊ वाली बेंच है और जो इलाहाबाद वाली बेंच है, क्या किसी लखनऊ बेंच के जजमेंट को इलाहाबाद में जाके चैलेंज किया जा सकता है? नो, बिकॉज बोथ आर हैविंग सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ या सेम जुडिशियल पावर्स. ठीक है, बिकॉज ऑफ द जियोग्राफिकल स्प्रेड इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट का एक बेंच ओपन किया गया या एक ब्रांच ओपन किया गया लखनऊ में. तो सिमिलरली NGT National Green Tribunal was formed in 2010 through the NGT Act 2010. So NGT is what? A statutory body. It is not a constitutional body or executive body. Now, the last topic that we have today is RBI's retail direct scheme. RBI has in February 2021, RBI proposed allowing the individual users या retail users to invest into the government securities. ठीक है. Now this scheme has been announced. The various nuances of the scheme has been announced, but mm, but the major part of the scheme, that what kind of bonds will be covered and such, what is the modalities of the scheme, how to invest, that will be released later.